Welcome to Cars Buddy 816, your ultimate stop for classic legends and timeless machines. Today, the spotlight shines on a true American icon, the 1964 Pontiac GTO. Finished in a deep, glossy maroon, and standing tall in this luxurious white showroom, the GTO is more than just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. As it moves gracefully across the showroom floor, notice how the chrome grille glistens under the soft cinematic lights. The body lines are muscular yet elegant, a design that captured the very spirit of 1960s America. Every reflection, every curve, every polished surface reminds us of an era when cars were not just built, they were crafted with passion. In 1964, Pontiac dared to do something extraordinary. They took an ordinary midsize car and gave it a performance heart, birthing what many call the very first true muscle car. The GTO was bold, it was rebellious, and it was built for speed. Back then, owning a GTO meant you weren't just driving, you were making a statement. Under the hood, this legend packed a mighty V8 engine that roared with authority. The GTO delivered raw horsepower that turned highways into racetracks and everyday roads into unforgettable experiences. From 0 to 60, it gave drivers the kind of adrenaline rush that only pure American muscle could provide. Watch now as it turns, revealing its bold side profile. The long hood, the sleek roofline, and the strong rear stance, all harmonizing in perfect balance. At the back, the polished chrome bumper and tail lights reflect not just light, but history. Every angle of the GTO speaks of dominance, power, and presence. And when you step inside, the story continues. The maroon leather seats wrap around you with comfort and luxury. The chrome steering wheel and classic dashboard remind you that this is a car made for the driver. Every detail of the interior, from the stitching to the gauges, is a time capsule of 1960s design brilliance. Today, the 1964 Pontiac GTO stands not only as a collector's dream but also as a piece of history. It represents the birth of a new era in automotive culture, an era of raw speed, freedom, and identity. Collectors around the world cherish it, not just for its power, but for the cultural movement it inspired. The 1964 Pontiac GTO, the car that started it all. A legend in motion, and a timeless reminder of America's golden age of muscle cars. If you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to hit like, share with your fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Cars Buddy 816 for more classic legends and modern icons. Until next time, keep driving the passion forward. When Pontiac introduced the GTO in 1964, it wasn't just another car, it was a challenge to the entire American auto industry. At that time, car companies were focused on family sedans and modest performance vehicles. Pontiac broke the rules by dropping a massive V8 into a mid-size Tempest chassis, and the result was explosive. The GTO was originally offered as an option package, almost a secret experiment, but the response was overwhelming. Young drivers across America lined up for it, because it delivered something no one else dared to build, affordable performance with attitude. It sparked what we now call the muscle car era, inspiring rivals like Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and Plymouth to create their own performance machines. But the GTO will always be remembered as the car that started the revolution. It became a cultural icon, appearing in music, films, and car magazines, celebrated as the symbol of power, independence, and American pride in the 1960s. The 1964 GTO wasn't just transportation, it was freedom, rebellion, and raw adrenaline on four wheels.